For feature, so you're paying me for you to feature in my videos. 50 rand.
Girl, I told you to stop putting your phone on silent. Okay, then pick up the phone, girl. Hi guys, Melanin Princess over here. If you're new to the family, do the most, why not? Subscribe, like, share, comment, and join the family. Why not? So guys, I'm changing up my hair a bit. When last did I do a hair video? Look at the state of my hair. It's in a state of despair. I know, but we find a change that today, okay? Woo, guys. So I'm thinking that this video, I was doing my hair on the 20th of March, but then I'll check that if it's not the 20th of March, I'll just put it somewhere on the video. But then yeah, it was on a Monday. Shutdown. Remember guys, I was telling you about shutdown. Yeah, this is on the Monday of the shutdown where I was doing my hair. So yeah, it is the 20th of March. It was the 20th of March, and obviously, yo guys, my sister loves she loves being in my videos. So this time, I want to
for feature, so you're paying me for you to feature in my videos. 50 rand.
Yo guys, you know, detangling my hair is one of the biggest jobs, and I don't like it at all. Like, I don't like it at all. Whenever my hair is tied up or is in a style for long, one thing that I don't like doing is detangling, because it's a process. So I usually work in 4 sections, and yeah, 4 sections work for me. But sometimes if it's 2 tangles, then I work maybe in 6 sections. Yeah, but no more than that. Yeah, so I'm using warm water as usual, guys. Warm water just makes it easier. My hair is much more manageable, and it's not tough also when I work with warm water. So it also opens up my pores and all that, makes it easier for me to work with it. Because guys, I think I'm tender-headed. I don't know if I'm tender-headed or it's just the fact that I'm the only one who does my hair. I don't know. And I'm always doing like these protective styles that have no tension, these type of styles that are not painful to do. So I don't know if I'm tender-headed or I made myself tender-headed. But it's so irritating, guys, because it's painful. It is painful. That's why I don't like combing, and I do my hair here and there, and I don't do hair videos as usual as I would want to, just because, guys, the tender-headedness is not nice. It is painful. It's painful. Yeah, so after I have made sure that my hair is wet, so my hair does have what is it called again? Leave-in conditioner. So there was no need for me to add more yet when detangling. But then whenever my hair is dry, and I need to detangle it, then I do add my leave-in conditioner and detangle it. It just gives that slip. But now my hair already has that slip. So guys, today I'm going to be let me not tell you now. Let me just section the hair. But I'm sure you also, today I am going to be using rollers, guys. So first I am sectioning my hair into the small sections I'm going to be using, because I already counted the rollers. So I'm making sure that they are going to fit, and I'm not making huge sections because the rollers are not big. Yes, guys, so these are the sections that I've done, and these are the rollers that I will be using. So I have 2 types over here, but I will not be using this green one because of the spikes, guys. No, I am not yet ready to use that one. So y'all can see this green one, the spikes, how they are. I don't know how it's gonna work on my hair, guys, those spikes. So I'm using this one. The spikes are much tinier. I don't know if y'all can see, they are so tiny. They are so tiny and smooth. They don't cling onto your hair like that. Yes, fam. Woo. So now that I've made the sections, I need to figure out how to put this roller on. But first, what did I do? Guys, I have to figure out how to take off this that I done. I just rolled my hair on itself. 5 hours later, then I figured out how to take this off. Guys, I don't know, I was just rolling my hair on itself and I had to figure out how to take it off without breaking my hair. But then guys, before putting on the rollers, I'm making sure my hair is wet. It's wet, it should not be dry, of course. And detangling it, yes guys, so I did put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, whipped shea butter and coconut oil. That's the one that I use, DIY. And then from roots up till the ends, it must be perfect, guys, combed out, detangled. Or else the rollers, like, they're just gonna be fluffy. So here I had to figure out, but then I remember from watching other videos that it should be not away from your face. It should be coming towards your face. Like, if it goes outwards, it will just be weird. Your guys get me, right? You're rolling it towards your face. Yes. Not away from your face. So yeah, I got my first one and I was just like, no man, the root is not too tight, but hey, so bona pambili. It's the way I was just like, so bona pambili, guys. In my mind I'm like, it is what it is. It is what it is. Yo guys, you know what, I'm gonna leave you all to see the process and I'm gonna speak to you all here and there. You know, it's the same process, the very same process. So I'm just gonna show you all on this one section how I done it and then get back when I am done. Ooh, look at this curl, guys. It's so pretty. Ooh, but I gotta ruin you. Yeah, no, bye. So guys, this front section is one of the longest sections on my wait, what am I saying? Hey, oh, hey, Sihoa, come back, oh, come back, Sihoa, come back. This front section is one of the longest sections on the front part of my hair. Yes. And also guys, I forgot to mention that with these rollers you have to take small sections, because when the hair overlaps, you guys, you will see, like, at you know what, you will see, but you'll see what is happening here. When you overlap the hair, it gets clung to the side of the roller, so it means that part of your hair will break off. You get me? So yeah, so with these I had to make sure I took equal small sections, because anything that is bigger than any of the sections, that hair, trust me, it's gone. It is gone. 2, 3, 10, 15 strands gone. Yeah, I'm done with one side. Yeah, I didn't even notice it. That was fast. Yeah, snap of a finger was this one. Yeah guys, look at the difference. Hey, I still have a long way to go, guys, but but anyways, pray for me. 1, 2, 3, boom, we are done. I wish things were as fast like this, guys. So yes, I slept with it, guys. I had to sleep on my forehead. That's the most painful sleep. So when I took off my bonnet, one of the clips just rolled off, you know. So this is how that curl looks like, but let us reveal it. Guys, I'm excited. So let's see. Guys, I never did I know that my hair was gonna be like, look like those YouTubers on YouTube when they do their rollers. Yay, it's me also, eh? Guys, look, the roller is clean because of small sections. That's what I was saying. you take small sections and the roller will not eat your hair. It will eat your hair when the sections are too big and the hair is overlapping. Okay, must I go over it again? 1 + 1 is 2. Sharp. Anyways, as I was saying, make sure that, oh yeah, I did say that, but anyways, yeah, I never knew that my hair was also gonna do that thing, guys. But then this year I was like, you know what, let me try. This is what I mean, guys. I don't know if you all saw, but I will, yeah. But anyways, guys, at the back part I did struggle. There was one section there that is a bit fluffy. That part over there that I'm holding, hey guys, the hair was overlapping. It was too much on one roller, so the end of it got attached, so I did have to break off just a little bit, but I took it off slowly. Yay! Look at that bounce. Look at shake. Shake what your mama gave you on your head. Ooh, guys, and then now separating the curls. Hey, it's me doing this now. It's me. Oh. Separate the curls, guys. You know, I don't know why I ended up switching on the light there at the back, guys, because this is a load shedding bulb, so there was load shedding that took place, so I decided to switch on the bulb, the light. Yes, that one. And guys, that's the reason why this video is showing like this. But don't worry, guys, I will show you all how the curls look like. Oh my goodness, I've never seen such beautiful curls before, guys. Yo, you know, I see them on YouTube, but I never knew that my hair could also do it. So there's a first for everything. Hey. So it was the 21st of March when I was loosening the rollers, and here I was on my way to work, and then right after that go to church. But look at the curls, look at, yay. Yo guys, I don't know how many people were asking me, is that a wig, and I'm like, no, it's not a wig. They're like, no ways. Yo, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Goodbye. Oh yes, and I forgot to give a shout out to myself. Goodbye.